Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel. You can find the latest and most entertaining car content on this channel, and all the clips used in this video are for educational purposes. Today's episode is a mix of all sorts of epic road moments and hopefully you'll enjoy watching it. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. Not only did this driver run a red light, but he also ignored the road marking completely. He was in a right turn lane, but that didn't prevent him from going straight ahead.
Igual que va bro. Celle-là, puis celle-là, c'est juste pour tourner. C'est juste celle qui continue tout droit. Ah, that's it.
Cyclist ran a red light, and the shocking thing is that he didn't even bother turning his head at least to look if someone might be approaching. Rude driver passed the camera on the shoulder of the road and at a high rate of speed as well. Camer was using a two-way radio to communicate with one of his fellow employees, but an angry Darren was not happy and he had something to say. Check it out.
What's that? Where is it? Stay right there. It's a handheld. It's a handheld device.
What are you talking about, asshole?
He's saying that's a handheld device, and he takes off.
Hey, buddy, mind your own business.
Hey,
I'm communicating. See you later.
Okay, I'll take your shit.
Cop noticed a driver being in HOV lane without occupants and he immediately pulled him over. You can see that the driver quickly moved out of that lane when he saw a cop, but it was already too late.
gosh, that girl just wrecked. Oh my gosh.
My best friend Chuck.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
That's your friend, right, dude?
That's crazy.
Yeah, I know, yeah, because you tell him,
Like totally ran through that light.
or whatever, she was home.
Really? Really? Idiot.
With this clip, we conclude another episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys managed to enjoy and perhaps learn something out of all these videos. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it really helps a lot. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.